At City Power, we know that keeping the lights on starts long before the switch is flipped. That's why we're out at one of our substations conducting planned maintenance specifically on the most critical component in the system, the circuit breaker.
Good morning, this is Chabo Mali from City Power, Level A Operator Substations. The reason why we are here today is because we'll be doing 11 kV breaker maintenance. We have already isolated the breakers from the 11 kV control panel, and then we can walk over to show you the breakers that are being maintained today.
Think of circuit breakers as the bodyguards of our electrical network. When something goes wrong, like a power surge, overload, or a fault, they jump in and shut things down to protect the rest of the system. Here's the catch. Like any good bodyguard, if you don't check in on them regularly, they might not react when it matters most.
It's important. It's one of the rules of the game. You must always maintain your breakers so that you will never, they must be reliable for your supply. If you lose one of these distributors, they could be carrying 15 to 20 mini-subs. So you can imagine how many customers are coming from 15 to 20 mini-subs. So it's important to maintain this periodically.
Without routine maintenance, a faulty breaker might fail to trip, which could lead to equipment damage, widespread outages, or even substation fires. It's like expecting your car's brakes to work after skipping every service. Dangerous and expensive.
So this is my breaker that we're gonna maintain. All of these are our breakers. So we're gonna start with cleaning them. As you can see, it's got some dust. So we're gonna clean the dust, remove all the dust. Then we're gonna clean it with the electrical cleaner so that they are quite clean. After cleaning, then we're gonna start with our testing. We're gonna do insulation test so that we test the integrity of the insulation of these breakers. Then we're gonna do our contact resistance test, where we will be able to see if it's making the correct contact. So after doing that contact resistance, we're gonna also do the pressure test, where we're gonna test our vacuum bottles. Then after that, we're gonna do our speed test, which is a breaker analyzer test, which we're gonna test the speed of the breaker when it operates. When it's true, when there's a fault, it must trip at a certain time, and when it closes, it must close at a certain time. That's what we're gonna do on these 18 breakers today. And that's all for today.
It's detailed work, but it prevents unplanned disasters and it helps us deliver a more stable and reliable electricity supply to you. So the next time your power stays on during a storm or a trip fault, just know the real heroes might be these guys and the breakers they maintain.